Hello viewers, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. Today I will be sharing with you aloo kabli recipe. So aloo kabli is a aloo chaat. So in Bengali this is called as aloo kabli. This is a hot, tangy Bengali roadside snack of boiled potatoes, some veggies like tomatoes, cucumber, onion, lemon, etc. So let's get started, and all the ingredients details are below there in the description box. Please have a look, and if you are new here in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. And please like the video, comment on the video, and share the video with your family and friends. Let's see what are the ingredients we need to take for aloo kabli. I have taken here some boiled potatoes and I have cut them into small pieces, some finely chopped cucumbers, some chopped tomatoes, one slice of lemon, bhaja mashla. So this is basically I have taken some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, and some dry red chilies. I have dry roasted them, and after dry roasting I have grinded it into a mixing grinder. So this bhaja masala is one of the most important ingredient for our aloo kabli. Then I have taken some chopped coriander leaves, some bhujia, some chopped onions, some tamarind pulp. So this tamarind pulp is also a very important ingredient for aloo kabli, as aloo kabli is a tangy flavored snack. So tamarind pulp is very much important. Then I have taken some black salt, and then I have taken some sprouted chanas. So I have soaked these chanas overnight, and after that I have boiled them. So see the texture of the chanas now. This is perfect. It looks perfect for aloo kabli. So all these ingredients are very much needed for making roadside like aloo kabli. Now for making the aloo kabli, I have taken here one mixing bowl, and I have added the boiled potatoes into the mixing bowl. After that we will be adding lemon juice. So I have taken 1/4 of a lemon, and I have squeezed the lemon very well to get the juice. After that I will be adding the finely chopped cucumbers into it. After adding the cucumbers, let's add the finely chopped tomatoes into it. After adding the tomatoes, let's add the finely chopped onions into the mixing bowl. After adding the tomatoes, then I will be adding the sprouted boiled chanas into it. And after adding the chanas, we will be adding some black salt, of course as per taste. Then we need to add the bhaja masala into it. This is also as per taste you can add. And after adding all these ingredients, let's give it a quick mix. After mixing it well, let's add the tamarind pulp into it. So this is also as per taste you can add. If you want more tanginess in your aloo kabli, then you can add more tamarind pulp. If you want less tanginess in your aloo kabli, then you can add less tamarind pulp into it. So after adding the tamarind pulp, again mix it very well. After that we will be adding some finely chopped coriander leaves into it, and then we will be adding some bhujia, and then we'll give it a quick mix again. After mixing it well, finally our aloo kabli is ready. Now I have taken a small serving bowl and we'll add the aloo kabli into the serving bowl. And after adding the aloo kabli into the serving bowl, finally we will be adding some more bhujia on the top. So now we'll sprinkle some more bhujia on the top of the aloo kabli, so it will look more good and it will taste amazing. So finally our aloo kabli is completely ready to be served. I hope this was useful for you, and most importantly kids gonna love this. So just give it a try at your home and let me know your valuable feedback. We'll be back very soon. Till then, bye. Take care.